So I replaced my igniter. This is it right here. It has two screws, one here and one here. This is the old one. It was glowing, but it was not igniting the gas. So I cut these two cables and joined them together with the ceramic twist cap on. And to get to the plug, you take the screw off right here. And you unplug this. That's how it goes together. You put your screw back on. And then you have a couple of plug-ins right here in the back, in the very back. They look like this. And they go behind this pole right here. They just plug-ins right there. Before it was just glowing, it wouldn't turn on. Now let's test it out. Before it would just glow, but the gas will not ignite. There it is, folks. Easy fix. $30 part. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.